Hey, Solo Boondocker Freddy here with a quick update. I just got my radar up. You gotta see this. I hope you can see this, but that little blue dot is us. There's the eye of the hurricane right there. So it's just south of us. And heading towards us, the eye. As you can see, that little blue dot right there is us. And there's the eye. So the hurricane is still right off the coast. It's like in South Daytona, right off the coast of South Daytona. And heading towards us. Once that part pushes through, I believe it will be, it starts to clear up behind it. So we'll see what happens doing the eye. But it took a minute for me to get the radar up and running to see what it was looking like. Right now the rain is coming down heavy. We're in green, yellow rain bands on the radar. But yeah, it's right off the coast of Daytona Beach. And if the eye happens to come through us, it looks like it'll probably be with us for like 20 minutes, if that. So the eye goes through. The worst part will be the back end of the hurricane, which will have the highest winds. So once this part pushes through and we go through the eye and it starts picking up again, that's when I'm going to start to worry. Usually always the back end of the hurricane is always the heaviest rain and winds. Right now I'm okay in the RV. Still no power. I got to make the best of it. I hope we all make it through okay. I'll see you guys soon. Solo Boondocker Freddy with an update. See you.